You won't believe this. The new AI video generator just blew V3 out of the water. When V3 launched, it took the internet by storm, especially with those crazy good lip sync videos. Everyone was talking about prompt theory. Remember that?
Have you heard about the prompt theory, Seg?
Well, forget all that now because V3 has officially been dethroned. ByteDance, the creators behind TikTok and CapCut, just dropped a brand new AI video model, and it's currently ranked #1. Even better, it comes with a built-in audio feature designed specifically for lip syncing and AI influencers.
So this is actually my room. Do you like it?
Anyway, this new tool doesn't just match V3, it crushes it. And here's the best part. I found a better unlimited way to use it completely free. No temp mails, no tricks. But listen closely, don't create your account just yet. Seriously, watch this video all the way to the end first. If you skip ahead, you might miss a crucial step and end up not eligible for the free method. All right, let's dive in. So for those who don't know, V3 has been making waves all over the internet lately, and to access it, you simply had to go through Flow. One of the standout features of V3 was its ability to generate super realistic videos. Like, check this out, an ASMR-style video of a man cutting a glass strawberry. These are the kind of results people were getting, and yes, it even comes with audio. Take a listen. As you can see, the quality is seriously impressive. The quality is genuinely solid, and what's even better is that the prompts are followed really accurately. But here's the catch. If you head over to the homepage, you'll notice it costs around $250 per month. Yeah, seriously. Well, guess what? China just came in and crushed V3 because there's a brand new AI video model that's now ranking #1. And here's the best part. I've just figured out how to use it completely for free. Let me walk you through it. If you head over to Artificial Analysis AI, you should land on a page that looks like this. So here's how it works. This platform keeps track of different AI models and grades them based on real user feedback. Basically, they run the same prompt through 2 different AI video generators and then ask people to pick which result looks better. For example, I prefer this one, so I just click on it. Then it loads another set with different prompts and different models, and again, I choose the better one. It's a community-driven comparison, so these results aren't just my personal opinion, they reflect what the general public thinks. Now here's the exciting part. Based on those ratings, a brand new AI video model has just taken the #1 spot. And I'm seriously not exaggerating. The reason I'm bringing this up again is because I've just discovered a brand new way to use this tool for free. And yes, it completely outperforms V3. Now, while it doesn't generate built-in audio like some others, it still beats V3, V2, Kling 2.0, and even Sora when it comes to visuals. But that's not even the craziest part. If you switch over to the image to video category, yep, it ranks #1 there too. And I'm not joking. So before I show you how to access it, let me quickly break down why this tool is such a game changer. It's called Dreamina, and it's developed by the same company behind TikTok and CapCut. Yes, the same ByteDance team. And what makes it so powerful is its multi-dynamic capabilities and high-quality outputs. As you can see, the quality is incredibly sharp, and the prompt adherence is spot on. It also supports multiple video styles, giving you plenty of creative flexibility. Don't worry, I'll show you exactly how to access this for free. One of its standout features is the multi-scene consistency, which makes creating complex videos way easier. It can seamlessly handle different styles within the same video, and we're going to put that to the test next. So basically, this is just one example. The prompt was, in the morning, a teenager cycles through an old European district. You can see how the video smoothly transitions between multiple scenes or cuts, yet everything remains perfectly consistent. And all of this comes from just that single prompt. Here's another one. A race car roars past on a track in front of the pyramid, kicking up yellow sand. As you can see, it sticks to the prompt perfectly, capturing all the details exactly as described. I mean, just take a look at this. Honestly, the only area where I'd say V3 still has an edge is with audio. And the team at ByteDance is already working on adding audio generation too. Here's another scene. The camera follows a group of people riding horses down a street. and the realism is just incredible. Then there's this one of a skier gliding over fresh snow, turning smoothly. The physics here are spot on. In fact, the realistic physics are one of this model's biggest strengths compared to other AI video generators. This next one shows it can create sci-fi scenes that look like they were 3D rendered by a professional artist. That level of quality could seriously shake up the Hollywood industry in the next few years. And finally, check out this clip of a model walking gracefully in a black backless gown. It looks so lifelike. Take a close look at the humans. The detail is just stunning. As you can see, people are raising their phones, and everything looks incredibly realistic. If you scroll down, you'll notice it has native multi-shot storytelling, just like I mentioned earlier. For example, there's a small fox trotting through a forest. This whole sequence is generated from a single prompt, yet it shows different scenes, all while maintaining perfect consistency. The video prompt even specifies multiple angles, and it nails it with just one input, which is really impressive. Then there's another scene of a girl playing the piano. In this particular clip, you can really appreciate the attention to detail. Now, let me show you how to get unlimited credits. Go ahead and visit the link. I'll leave it in the description below, which will take you to Dreamina CapCut. I signed up using my Google account. After signing up with Google, you'll get access to the video generator. I used ChatGPT to create a prompt for a video about an anime girl. As you can see, I have 0 credits. After that, I install Urban VPN, but any VPN with multiple free countries works. Urban VPN has lots of free servers you can select from. For example, I connect to Germany server and begin to generate 4 or 5. As you can see, it's cost 0 credit. Until now, the method worked. The video is ready. Let's watch it. See how detailed and perfect it looks? It doesn't even look like AI generated, which is amazing. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.